Morning and welcome to Hippie Christmas. So this here is the tapestry from Wednesday, the one I did the 11/11 on. Since it was an ice dye, I had to wait until Saturday. I know I probably said Wednesday. I think Dawn or somebody had said, oh, maybe Saturday. So, yep, you were correct. Today is Saturday. Alright, looks like we got some good color down in there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, here we go. And there we have it. And yes, somebody else pointed out that since I folded this in half, that two of my ones would be backwards. And that's of course how it showed up. But the little flag on the one was kind of an afterthought. So anyway, here we go.